Welcome everyone, my name is Ananda Leon from Levil Aviation, and today I have the pleasure of bringing my dad, Ruben Leon. We're going to be discussing our new release, the Autopilot, and hopefully answer a lot of the frequently asked questions that we've been getting after the release, and we're going to go step by step on how to install this Autopilot. First, let me give you a little introduction for those that are not familiar with the product. Levil released the iLevil AP, and basically it's an alternative to a traditional autopilot that connects to your main controls. On this system, it's a trim tab based autopilot. Basically, we have a control head that's driving a little RC servo that's moving a trim tab that's connected to either your aileron or your elevator. And the benefits of this system is that it's easy to override in case of an emergency, but it has enough power to keep your airplane level, to guide you, follow a flight plan, do heading, follow altitude, basically all the capabilities of a traditional autopilot, but in a very lightweight and super easy to install solution. And this is basically for experimentals in light sport aviation. And do you have anything to add to our little intro?
Oh, no, you must have covered mostly everything. Yes, we do have, you forgot to say this, less than a pound, I think?
It's less than a pound, yes, I forgot. It's less than a pound. So basically, the iLevil AP contains everything here, all the sensors. Your AHRS is inside. Your AHRS gives you your attitude indicator. It has connections to the pitot and static system, so we know your altitude and we can do an altitude control. It has a GPS receiver. It has an ADS-B receiver, and basically in a Wi-Fi transceiver. So it's not just an autopilot. This is a complete glass cockpit solution. It's broadcasting all the information to an iPad or an iPhone. You can connect it to ForeFlight or our own app or WingX or iFlight GPS. There's countless of apps available that are connected to this. So you can use this as your main control system. And now we added the algorithms for the autopilot.
That's what we needed.
Yes. So the revolutionary side of this is that you use basically your iPad or your iPhone as the control to turn on the autopilot, turn off the autopilot. You also have a physical button here to turn off or disconnect the autopilot. If you want that. And right now we have compatibility with iFlight GPS to do flight following. So you do your flight plan on iFlight, and iFlight is sending the waypoints via Wi-Fi to this box, and the algorithms inside are guiding the autopilot to your flight.
Also, the Navigator app for Android does the same.
Navigator on Android as well.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna be discussing in details how all this works on the next chapters. So this is episode 1. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll try to answer them as well.